Let's unbox and go over the features of this very nice and comfortable Waylianda Luxury Series Home Theater Sofa Recliner. It comes packaged well with a sturdy and thick cardboard box, and it's wrapped in bubble wrap to protect it from damage. You can either open the top and bottom to slide the box off, or you can cut the cardboard box open down one side. However you do it, just be careful when using a box cutter or a knife to not pierce or damage the sofa recliner itself. It is fairly heavy, so you wouldn't be able to just lift it out of the box. It arrives in two pieces, making the assembly process nice and simple. The backrest is folded over the seat, and all that is required is to connect the power cable from the backrest to the seat, then lift the backrest and slide the metal brackets into place on both sides. Push down on each side to make sure they click into place, and you're done. Aside from that, just plug it into the power outlet and enjoy. This sofa recliner just looks amazing. I specifically chose the red color, since it's a nice shade of red, which is bright and attractive and also reminds me of an actual movie theater seat. The top grain leather material looks nice and feels nice. It doesn't feel thin or cheap like some other leather materials, and should you happen to spill anything on it, it would be an easy cleanup versus most other fabric recliners. The cushion is a high density memory foam, which is firm enough to provide good support, and it's comfortable too. The second you're seated, you'll just want to kick back, relax, and enjoy. On the right side by the inner portion of the arm, there's a USB Type-A and a USB Type-C port, which will provide power for charging your devices. There is also a button to switch on and off the accent lighting around the cup holders, as well as underneath the chair. The color for the light on this recliner is blue. The lighting makes the chair stand out and look great in any environment. Whether you want to use it in the gaming room, your living room, or a movie theater room, the lights just add an extra layer of style. They also help light up the surroundings for safety if you're in a dark room watching a movie. This way you can see around you if you're getting in and out of the chair. The lights can easily be turned off if you want to have it completely dark, and back on again once you're getting out of the chair to give you some visibility. One thing I found helpful was the fact that the lights make it easier to find and see your cup holders when you're watching a movie in the dark. Aside from the button for the lights, you have another button to extend or recline the sofa and retract it back, as well as another button to extend and retract the headrest, adding more customization for making you feel completely comfortable. Now the armrest can be lifted open, revealing storage slots on either side. These have a good amount of room and can be used to store Blu-rays or DVDs, snacks, cables, or whatever else you want to keep ready to go when you're seated on your throne. Each side of the chair arm have attachment slots, which different accessories can be mounted to. There's an included tray, which can be mounted allowing you to rotate the tray over in front of you, giving you a tabletop to eat food from or keep snacks on. You can also use it for other things like placing your laptop on, rather than keeping it on your lap. They do also offer a tablet holder which is sold separately, which can easily hold your tablet, allowing you to watch movies from, work, or even run podcasts and streams from, and be able to easily read notes. It's very convenient and makes this just that much more fun to use. Movie nights just got a whole lot better. A whole new experience that just can't be beat. Once you use this sofa recliner, it's going to be hard to go back to a standard couch. You just miss out on all the comfort and convenience this home theater recliner brings you. If you're looking to upgrade your home theater setup or office to the next level, then I recommend you take a look at the Waylianda Luxury Series Home Theater Sofa Recliner. I'll place links in the description for anyone who's interested, along with my exclusive 20% off discount code to get you an even better price. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.